Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Cooking Series. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize the steam cooking process and how we can program the combi to produce perfect results. In a combi, steaming can be completed in a range of 190 to 212 for vegetables or 212 to 225 for starchy foods such as potatoes, frozen vegetables, and frozen products. I'll be preparing raw peeled shrimp for a shrimp cocktail. It'll be prepared at 100% steam saturation at 160 degrees, and the end result will be a shrimp that's fully cooked and moist with a bright snap and crunch. Let's walk through the control panel and show you how we will program the AEC combi for the best results. First, we'll need to turn on the unit. Press the switch to the on position. The screen will then turn on, and now we are in the operations mode. The screen is user-friendly and gives easy access to our Combi Smart Touch icons. Select the manual cooking on the top left of the display. Now we'll select the preheating icon at the top left of the display as well. From here, we'll choose Custom to put in our custom preheat temperature. We'll select our preheat temperature. We'll then select the arrow to go back to our manual cooking mode. We'll select Time Cooking. And from the time cooking, now we can set the other parameters for our unit. First, we'll select our temperature. Then we're going to set our humidity to 100%. And then we'll also set our fan speed to 60%. Now we have to set our time. Our time is going to be set to 12 minutes. So we select our time and enter in 12 minutes. Press the check mark to return to our menu, and now the unit's programmed to begin the cooking process. Lastly, we'll select our Start button. The unit will display our preheat settings. From our preheat settings, we'll hit the Start button again, and the unit will go through a preheating cycle. Once the preheat is complete, the unit will display ready to load product. Here we have our shrimp. We're going to take our shrimp and we're going to load it into the unit. First, you want to be aware that the steam comes out of the unit, so you want to open it slightly and then completely open the door to load the food product. Now we'll load our food. We'll close the door. And the unit will go through the cooking process. Once cooking complete shows on the screen and the oven beeps, the process is ended. Be aware when removing the product from the oven. Slowly open the door and let the steam out slightly, and then completely open the door. Next, I will shock the shrimp in a bath of ice water. So here you can see our shrimp's completely cooked. Now we're going to move over here, and I'm going to put the shrimp into our ice bath. Now that we've completed the cooking process, we can begin the programming of the recipe for later use. First, you want to click the down arrow on the bottom of the screen. Here it'll display all of our options and parameters that we set previously. Now we'll hit our folder with the down arrow, and now it's going to display the name, a picture, and give us an opportunity to save it as a favorite dish if we'd like. We're going to delete out any information that may have been there before. Here I'm going to type in shrimp. I'm going to select OK. Now we have options for different pictures. We can choose a picture to display. And then I'm going to press on the star to put it on a favorites page so that it's easy to find in the future. Now we hit our down arrow with a folder once more, and now it's saved. Now it's in the unit under shrimp, and when we want to use it in the future, we would just select that icon. Thank you for watching this video, and visit atosausa.com for more resources.